Hey there, I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. Quick one today, doing a really quick, easy install of some clear side marker lights for the Nissan, and then I want to talk through what's coming up next for this car, as well as what to expect for the truck in the next couple months. So installing these was pretty straightforward as you'd expect, but I was having a bit of trouble getting it to seat properly with the sort of spring-loaded clip in the back. It's just a thin plastic piece, and I was afraid of breaking it if I forced it too hard, so I ended up just reaching behind the fender with my other hand to help the clip stretch over the metal and hold it in tightly. I'm talking about this clip on the left. It just wanted to bend in towards the base, which really wasn't doing anything to hold it in place, but like I said, if I reached behind, I could pull it back to how you see it now, and it's holding tightly. Okay, cool. So I think they look a lot better, at least as a 10-footer. You get up close and you can see the outlines of where all the other ones have been mounted in the past, but at least these aren't BMW, and they're clear, and I just think they look a lot better. So regardless, quick install out of the way. Plans for the Nissan. So I just ordered my second two Enkei RPF1s to be installed on the car. If you have been following, I ordered two RPF1s a few months ago, and I'm balling on a budget here, so I did two then, and then I just ordered two this week. They'll be here next week, and that's kind of the last piece of the puzzle for doing the full 5-lug conversion, Z32 brake upgrade, and then the wheels. The only thing left to buy is the tires, but I don't want to buy them until I can get the wheels on and see exactly what the offset looks like. There's so many conflicting pictures and videos of what a 17x9 plus 22 looks like on an S13. I swear, some of them you look at it and it's like perfectly flush and you can run like a 245/40 on it, but then other ones, I feel like they're poking out like an inch and you got to run like a 225 or something. And I'm trying to run as much meat as I can, so I don't want to buy a 245 and then they're poking way out, and then I'm rubbing or I'm running into much bigger problems. Or I buy a 225 and then it's just not as meaty as I'd like it to be. So bottom line, I have everything I need once the wheels come in on Tuesday to do the swap. Once I do the swap, I'll get a look at what the wheels look like and make a decision on what kind of tires, what size tires I want to get. So yeah, I'm excited. It's been a long time coming. I've been buying parts since like January for this, and yeah, I'm really excited to get it done. I think it should go pretty smoothly, considering I have everything that I need. Also, car still runs great. Engine feels really strong. I just took it for a ride earlier. Pulls super hard, and man, I love driving this thing. I'll start it up for you guys and get you a few quick exhaust clips too. Car idles really nice now. Also, that I fixed the battery terminal ground in a previous video. Idles right at like 800-900 RPM. I'm super happy with that. And then as far as the truck goes, I don't have huge plans for mods or maintenance or anything like that. Big thing, I was just talking with a subscriber about doing the transmission fluid change. I don't know if it's ever been changed on this truck. I've read conflicting things like if you're over 200,000 miles and it hasn't been changed, then maybe you just leave it, because you don't want to flush it and then that releases all these little chunks and stuff, and then it ends up doing more damage than good. But I'm thinking that as long as I drop the pan, change the filter and everything, then I think it should be safe. And it's got to be a good thing to do, right? Change transmission fluid after 200,000 miles. So that's something on the radar I'd like to do. Trans fluid, maybe diff fluid, but again, we'll see about that. I want to do a little bit more research. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the 5 things I wish I knew video. Those are legitimately 5 things that I wish I knew before I bought the truck. So hopefully you found it helpful or added something in the comments that you wish you knew. I like making those videos where you guys can contribute in the comments, because I love hearing what you guys have to say. A lot of you are a lot more knowledgeable than me, so yeah, it's good. I do have a few more videos like that coming up, where I'm just kind of sharing my thoughts about the truck, and I highly encourage you guys to contribute in the comments. Other than that, I want to do a few review items on the truck. I want to review the headlights that I installed. I think that'll be helpful for a lot of you guys who might be on the fence of doing the LED upgrade. I also want to review the Atoto head unit that I've got. I've had it on the truck for about 6 months now, so overall I'm really liking it, but I want to do a full review on it. And then maybe a 6-month update on the wheel and tire setup, something like that. Just kind of keeping you guys in the loop of how I'm enjoying the mods that I've been doing to the truck. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Next big project is the car. Getting the 5-lug swap, big brake upgrade, and new wheels and tires on. And then as far as the truck goes, just more sort of talking to the camera, interacting with you guys sort of videos. Potentially fluid swaps coming up in the future. But if you have any other video ideas that you'd like to see, by all means let me know in the comments. I'm completely open to ideas, and I want to make content that you guys want to watch. So like I said, if you got ideas, let me know. And other than that, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.